And finally, as you can see, the brand sales has gotten up by 15% since we launched the I Am Superstar project. And salamat din sa ating digital content and sa ating research team and to everyone who contributed to this project success.
Vince, the report is good. Be consistent. Congratulations about this project.
No boss, actually gusto ko bigyan ng credit si Dexter kasi idea itong project na to.
Well, sa bagay, consistent naman si Dex at lagi siya nag-overtime.
Tignan ko.
Let's talk to my office.
Yes boss, I could not have that rich without his idea.
Really? Si Dex? Pala, napansin ko na. Bakit wala si Dex?
Hello, boss. Dito na pala yung new hire natin.
Congrats, Vince.
Uy, pare! Oh, yari ka! Hinaharap ko ni boss kanina. Palpak na yung ginawa natin.
Ay, nangyari.
Charot lang. Sabi ni boss, congrats daw.
Ay, naku. Aga-aga. Pinabati mo agad ako eh.
Ito naman, hindi mabiro.
Sino yan?
Wala yan. Bagong hire yata ni boss yun.
Ikaw ah. First day, dumadabos ka na agad ah.
Uy, hindi.
Hiningitian mo nga eh.
Ikaw yung iniitiyan ko eh.
Huwag ba?
Alam mo pre, magtrabaho na lang tayo.
Siya.
First of all, I welcome you to the company.
It's an honor to be part of a growing company like this.
I'll trust that you'll do your job. Nakita ko naman yung resume mo, and it's all good.
Of course, and I promise na hindi kayo magsisisi sa desisyon niyo. And I will do my best to prove it.
By the way, welcome again to the company.
Tama na, Alice!
Pwede ba, Dex? Huwag na tayong maglokohan.
Puro na lang pagkakamali at pagkukulang na lang napupuna mo.
Ako ba inisip mo, ha? Ilang beses akong napagod.